Hi and welcome back to Gray's Gardening. So today the video is all about the extension, the building update that's behind me. So let's get straight inside and I'll show you what's been done since I last showed you around. Okay, so hopefully you can see that. The roof is now on, all the tiles are in, the velux are in, that's upstairs and downstairs. Ignore that down pipe coming off the top roof, that needs sorting out. Likewise, so does this one towards the bottom. They'll be going into the drains, but the whole house needs to be rendered before they can be attached on. So let's get inside. This is where the bifolds are going to go. Right, lots of work got on since I last filmed the video. So as you can see, all the electric points are now in. They can't be finished off until the plastering's finished. The plumbing's all in ready. They're ready for the sinks, the washing machine, the dishwasher, the radiators. Here we go, velux are in. We've got 3 of those coming along here, giving us plenty of light into the new kitchen dining area. As mentioned, this will be the bifolds. They've all been measured. They're apparently going to be a couple more weeks. But if I just come round to this angle, so kitchen has been ordered. Won't be too long now, a couple of weeks they've said, and hopefully I can overlay this kind of angle with what the kitchen's going to look like, which is should be on screen now. This is the plan. There'll be a nice big island in front of us with all the appliances behind us. So this literally was my old kitchen, just that bit of the floor there. That's all we had. Now this going into the new utility room is a bit dark because the lights aren't on yet, but new boiler fitted. Hopefully get plenty of life and plenty of years out of that. Coming in here, this is the utility room, so there'll be a load of new cabinets and cupboards and worktops, that kind of thing in here. The washing machine, the tumble dryer and a fridge freezer in that area. And then we come down here, this is the new downstairs toilet and bathroom. So all the plumbing's in ready. The toilet, the sink, and then this area will be this shower. And there we go, we've got the taps on ready and a nice little window. We'll spin that round just to get the light. Here we go, walking back through kitchen, back into, toilet room into the utility, and then right back into the kitchen diner. Hopefully this week all these walls will be plastered. That wall there will be where my TV is going. Then have a corner L-shaped couch here, looking that way and looking out down the garden. Now you know this channel's all about the garden, and it's been really frustrating for me at the moment having to look at my garden in this state, but hopefully it won't be too much longer now. That can all be cleared up and I can get my garden hopefully back to some kind of normality. And I just want to show you also the access to come in through to the front and back of the garden. What we've done is, in order to have the maximum space upstairs, this is the internal walkway. So this will be access to and from the front and back of the house. Now the builder has secured this door, so I can't open it up right now. That's locked at the moment, but that will be a nice new door. So I'll take you through and show you what it looks like in the front. Okay, here it is. This is from the front angle of the house. Cannot wait for that skip to be removed so I can get my drive back again. But there we have it. There is the side extension. There's the little alleyway down the side. There's the downstairs toilet. And there's the new bedroom upstairs. Hopefully once that's all rendered and painted again, it will all blend in nicely as if it's been there forever. Now I'll just take you upstairs to the new bedroom that's put in. So nice new stairs. Again, hopefully that'll be plastered this week. Doesn't look very sightly at the moment. But this bedroom has been plastered. You can see it's drying out nicely. We come in here, that's looking out the front of the house. Nice big window on the front. Needs a good clean. We're just panning round. Here's our window at the back. A nice view down over the garden. Not a bad little view once that window's clean. And here is where the door is going to be fitted on. Radiator over here, 2 spotlights and plenty of new plug sockets. So the plasterers do tell me they shall be tidying this tomorrow, cleaning and scraping the floor and getting rid of all this. So I'll actually be able to see and feel what the size will be like. And the loft hatch has not yet gone in. You can see up there. That's going in this week as well to help with making everywhere a bit warmer. We were going to have a little window put in here, but all these wires and cables stop that in its tracks. Basically, if we wanted to continue with that, we're being told we needed to update or upgrade our entire electrics. And that's so we decided to not do, so that just needs plastering up again. Right, so just coming back through. Here we go. Okay, hope you've enjoyed this update. It is only a short video, but I just wanted to show you the progress that's been made on the extension in the last few weeks since I last did a video. Lots been going on, and I'm told we're only 2 or 3 weeks away from finishing now. Bifold still to go on, kitchen to be delivered and installed, and all the rest of the plastering to happen. And if you can see that big steel behind me, this is my claim to the entire thing, as I helped lift that into place. I think it weighs a couple of tons, and it took 5 of us to do it. So I'm going to claim that I have done a little bit of this build myself. So thanks very much, everyone. Hope you've had a lovely weekend. I'll speak to you soon. See you on the next video. Thanks, everyone. Bye now.